Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, this is Natural Good, and if this is not your first time here, welcome back to this channel. So today I'll be recreating a style I saw on Pinterest, and I'll appreciate it if you guys can rate me at the end of this video. I saw this style on Pinterest and I just wanted to recreate it and see how well it will come out on my hair. So as you guys know, I just started creating my own video, so I was just looking around for ideas, and then I saw this beautiful hair on Pinterest and I felt like, oh okay, let me just try this out on my hair. So the first thing I did was to section a part of my hair, and then I just tried to use the cotton comb to section it and divided it into 4 squares. So you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please, and please give this video a like. I would really appreciate you. Every subscriber is very important to this channel, and every like is as important as the subscriber too. I love you guys. Thank you for the encouragement, thank you for the likes, thank you for the shares. I see you guys, I see your hearts. Thank you so much. So after sectioning my hair into 5, I went ahead to take my tiny rubber bands, and then for each section I just tied it with a rubber band, and after tying each section I just went ahead to the first 2 sections. I tied them and I just went ahead to how do I put this now? I just went ahead to wrap it around the second section. As you see in this video, I try to twist the 2 sections together. I mean the front A and the back C, and then the front B and the back D. If you get it, I don't know how best to explain, but you guys can see what I was trying to explain in the video, and you can just roll along. I got done with that part of my hair, I just decided to use the comb to scatter my hair a little, and then I went ahead to use my bobby pin to hold the edge of the hair so that the tail doesn't keep coming forward. And then I went ahead to tie the hair with my shoelace. That's my shoelace, guys. I went ahead to tie the hair with my shoelace, and back and forth, back and forth. I prefer coming from the back, so I tied it from the back. And I, as much as possible, I try to avoid my edges, my baby hairs. As you can see, I just start from somewhere a little down my baby hair, and then back to the back, front and back, front and back. Guys, that's me trying to adjust and pull it up and tighten it as much as I want to. When you're doing this, guys, please don't over squeeze. I don't like over squeezing because it just ends up giving me headache. So what's the point of making a hair and then you are not comfortable with it? So that is a guy. I went ahead to tie the hair and then tuck in the shoelace. I was trying to tie and tuck in the shoelace here. So down the line, guys, once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Click the red button or white button on your screen, and then please subscribe to this channel. It encourages. Thank you so much. I tucked in my rubber band and my shoelace, and here I was trying to part the hair, reduce the length, scatter the hair, do everything possible to make the hair look good. I kept parting, scattering, parting. My hair was refusing to cooperate. Anyways, I went ahead to do it anyhow, make sure the hair was looking, you see, the hair refused to cooperate. Anyways, I went ahead to do it as much as I could, tuck in my shoelace that was also not cooperating, and then I went in with my Eco Styler gel. One thing about my hair is anytime I had gel on it, it refuses to go down, and I'm still not good at making edges. So guys, I just, at this junction, I just gave up, and I was just like, let the hair shall look neat, let it look neat. So I tried to use my Eco Styler, and then once I put gel in my hair, guys, if you have any idea of a gel I can use that will make my hair go lie low, please comment in the comment section. My hair refused to respond to Eco Styler. When I put Eco Styler like this, the hair bounced back as if nothing happened. As you can see in the video, doesn't look as if I applied any gel to this hair. And then I went in with my belt from a dress I wore in one of my videos. The belt looks so nice. And guys, this is my finished look. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.